this a yard, yeah? Oh, really put the shit bucket there, so. Yo, them my people in the house are really nasty. Who could I really put the shit bucket there, so? Janice! I open the shit bucket there, so you put the shit bucket there, so?
I want thing with the yard, yeah. Me no live here at night. Every day me there, I pay argument about shit and piss. Me think I did piss bucket or a shit bucket. Mama, if me want shit, me wait till me got bridge at night time me shit. Me not shit in my bucket.
So how the bucket put it? And I me put it there now. I don't me put it there. Well, so I reach there. You tell them a nasty people. What if I could thinking girl man die there take a bucket put yourself? The whole night is nasty.
A long time I see that. Still, but listen to me now. You come out and use the shit bucket. They couldn't just take up the shit bucket.
Me nah move it. Me nah touch shit bucket with my hand.
So touch you with the banana leaf, mama. You
no.
Create a scene.
Me come out and I smell something stinking in here. Me look at the shit bucket. The man shit and piss in the bucket. The man, what? Oi, girl.
You know you could have just take up the shit bucket.
Don't make me hand up, Shanice. Me not touch the bucket.
Imagine you have man, right?
What happened?
Ayo, you the man.
Ayo, play bucket, my girl. Me, Shanice. Me, pull that bucket now.
So I was afraid of the bucket and I just shit in there.
Me not shit in the bucket. Hey, I hit the man shit in the nose. Say landlord shit thing and he have pieces. Put that bucket and look at. Ramp with me now.
Which one better?
Ramp with me there. Come here, big
me after that, it like a cool. This shit I got all this.
Put on that man, girl. You know, so me a think to me. Put on the shit bucket for it.
Oh, I want to die.
Oh, what is? Oh. Your woman will come in there. She has shit in the bucket. Right now, you tell it in there. It's full of shit and something. When I know plunger for plunger, then I can give me one coat change.
You know money.
No money.
Mama, although me and you are friends. Me not rap when you come out to me, man. When you come out to me, man, me not rap.
But you can't be for him, man.
No. When me that thief him from Amanda, where were you? Where were you?
Me did go on a bridge. Remember bridge me walk a night. Me only there a day.
Come here, baby. Come here, baby. So anyways, I'm here, say no, baby. What, you good? You bring to me?
Me?
Yeah.
Me?
You didn't bring nothing in your pocket? You bring nothing in your pocket, baby?
You bring too much.
Girl, take care of me, man.
Girl, me dey look the man.
Me and your friend, but no, me no ramp when you come on to me, man.
Where's the going?
So what going?
See, they pay me no mind.
B, come over here, so no be me a talk to you. You want to eat? Oh, yeah.
Turn the hall and pull me so easy.
Which way you want go? You want go this side, so? Cause you must say that.
Talk to me. Where's the going?
You don't say no sense.
Say something bring me.
When the two want you come, you have money in your pocket.
Which one in your pocket? You have money in your pocket.
Come over here, come go. You have money in your pocket.
You have sitting in your pants.
Yeah, sitting inside.
In your pants. How was that?
You the shit pocket. Come, pay me.
No, man, they have to clean up your shit first so you touch my house. I'm going to give you a
Listen to me. It's even though they pay me.
House full of straw.
No, go on.
I don't like how you smell. If me walk on my yard.
Go on.
Hey! I can't let his man in here.
No. Okay, I ain't gone.
Come here!
Come here, crossbar shit bucket and reach inside.
Come here! I don't say work in another place. I will tell you. No.
Hello, man, and that.
Me say me. Who this
See, banker call you there.
I kiss me, baby. I can't answer you now. Kiss me, baby. Me I work with the land. Me I work with the tenant there. Me get money. You know, want money later. Yeah, I'll talk to you. Let me ask you.
Where are they now, father?
How you reaching this? Why she put you in it?
Who she?
Why you send man in my house?
I go tell you again. See the banker call you there. And the bank boy kiss me, baby. You didn't see me let him in? Ask him who ain't going in the banker.
No, listen. I give you an option to you.
So we can check in already.
You can check in where?
Yeah.
In where? I ain't not pay no money.
Much time we give money, much money we give why year them.
Listen me, when you give me gone and done. Taylor! You come here.
What the problem? What the problem in the yard? They don't just like what the problem?
When we want to walk kind man here.
What me want about the 10 and them in your mouth? I'm on about that. If me not bring the man come here, how you get money? How you get money? Tell me how you go and get
What
money.
me bucket ready there? So. Pass the bucket. Give me bucket. Give me bucket. Now touch it again.
Let me
How
ask
me
you
touch
something.
it?
Why you always a shit in the bucket?
Mama.
Wait no. Why when you shit in the bucket you carry come at the front of the yard?
Because there's a destruction there.
Mama, you about mama, sorry. Papa. Any destruction there inside of your way the shit out in the bucket.
I'm not your papa, not your mama, not your
Yo,
papa.
pass me so we can cut right.
No.
Cut.
You have to pay and enter.
Pay which money? He don't have dry shit in him back bag. He don't have nothing.
The US them done?
He don't have no money.
The US them done?
Yes, them done it out.
I tell you, start.
Start with what? I mean, don't need money.
Well, me know we need that money.
He still have money, he just never come with none today.
I know you start there with me not none.
Me and him not there.
You
I'm
know,
a
so when you
client.
said destruction there, you share the dish.
What destruction? I don't want to be the destruction. You see, you know, you don't have nothing for yourself.
Where Amanda?
You go to man, you go
Amanda?
to night time, go
Where
walk.
she there?
That little stinking woman
Amanda,
girl
no,
there, you know.
no,
She
there,
must
me
be
not
at
see
the
her
house.
from, man.
That little wearing girl that's coming upon the road. Cause she not in there, you know, she must go herself.
Okay.
That little big bitch, me have her, you know. Me have her.
Oh, me name a call from the out there, so I want.
You
So
there?
you look so like a stripper. Where you come from? You get a new work, topless.
Here, you. So remember, yeah. Me nah work out, me watching it here, I don't give a-
Hello. Come over here, stand up.
You read you? Or you son no? Listen.
Me read that you, but me know what
Hello.
that you done now.
Let me tell you this now. Me not pay no rent in a this. That me say that me mean.
Mama, me
Look
have
at me eye them. Me
watch
not
her.
pay
Watch her,
no
watch her.
rent.
Remember to kiss me, baby, take him from you.
I
Kiss
don't
me,
give
baby,
a
have
damn.
her.
Me
Say
still
no, I'm not
pay
mad
no
at
rent.
you. You know, I want her because she love cuss. This is not a man, you know. This is
man,
not a
me
woman.
and you with that, you
Let me
know.
ask you a question.
Hey, drop that. No put that on my face.
Listen. I don't feel that you with this last, you know.
I'm not afraid of you either.
You put a nail in there.
I don't give a damn.
When you come here, you bring no furniture come here.
I don't business.
When you come here, not too large a bag to put you up with.
You're brighty. Me didn't have Me my can ask you something. You're brighty. When you go under there, you did put a line under there. Thank you. You did rub nail under there. You put broom under there. No. So you
Mama.
ever go on now, no?
Hello,
You
me
see another-
come in, I'm tired. My body tired.
Your body again because you look tired.
This I'm not even what I do this.
I
now.
just shit
You can't
bucket,
distribute
mama.
that, brother. I'm bigger than the I'm front of yard this.
Watch her.
You know what I mean?
Watch her.
So you look so packed
Man,
down.
you walk
If I'm
like
a
brush
pack down, me
down.
at work. Me at work all night.
You work all night and still can't pay your rent if you sell your body to pay your rent.
You better me sell me
So
body
that's the
than.
question. Why you going so gone check? You think you taller than me? Why you gone up there so gone talk?
Make sure one.
Eh?
Make sure go on.
One in.
So I'm gonna ask you
Wow.
something.
She just dirty like. Awa.
Like your crutches.
Cause you eat
Mama,
it.
your catches dirty. If you
Yeah,
don't walk
me
one
no want
time.
eat your crutches coming no wonder day. You're right.
Your man
Relax.
know what they under the door.
No slap me.
Relax. Leave. Okay, what under there?
Mama, support me to sit down back and drop a ground.
She a flood, you know. So
Let me
listen.
tell you this. Don't put that for me back, boss. Because me I tell you, say me I need to work out. We are the girl.
Hey, listen.
This one.
No, I want to touch me something.
You know where
Kiss
it's
me,
up.
baby, now give him a
Listen to me. You still pay water under that, right? We are taking you to one.
Mama, I don't want to go to the desert right now. I don't really want to go there, son. I don't want to go to the desert.
Alright, listen, you don't have to
Wait.
go there. You can go and give me the little money.
We can go inside. Let me talk to her.
You know, say me don't like your style and me not pay no. No. This time me don't look good at all. Me want the right so you don't come lock door. Anything you give
Talk
she,
to
me
her, no
want
go
it.
about to make she hear. You the
Oh.
man of the yard or the girl of the yard? Which one?
Anything
girl.
Anything when me have to see, you want it to.
Yes.
Now give her a gun area. You want to turn up
Later.
yourself. You turn up yourself.
I'm a nice day. You see you? Let me tell you this, by the way. You said the rent due the 8th, right? You're not getting until the 28th.
She just can't make it
Anyway.
happen. You know, baby, what going
No, no, don't baby me.
Look at it.
Don't baby me. You have to go start pay rent because you have your man coming here again.
And the man me I get the money for you to understand.
Are you not giving me none?
Me not been a give. Me not been a give. Me not been giving you.
Alright, you. What's going on here? Let's see you later.
Yes! The man put the shoe back in the head.
Yeah, I have to tell the landlord to me get money. Eh? And me have a bag of man. Are you me to talk to?
No, I did girl me they look for. Because even if me did see the landlord, I never tell the landlord that I'm in a business where you want
I
with
chat
anybody.
box in there, no.
What's the box? Me I chat a box. But me never go to the landlord.
So who go to him?
I do not know and I do not care. Me not busy want to do with nobody. You could have want 1,000 man, I don't care. That me tell us, so go out carry
Well,
no
landlord.
girl. Well, landlord for that, you know, pass the motor, you just see nonsense. You will come like you start smoke too much cocaine. You don't need that. Too much man they up in your head. Or that.
I want to maid, woman.
Girl.
I want to maid.
Girl.
What argument for? And me tell the landlord.
Oh,
What you
are
can
you
do?
a big mouth one?
Yes, me and the big mouth one can get money pay the rent. Right now, I'm a big mouth, me bad mind. Cause everybody they use under the sun. And not pay no rent. And me I see a pay rent, me bad mind. Bad mind they'll kill me right now. So anything me see none of town you do me the
And
chat.
you need to sing about
So, let me ask you a question. If you like landlord, can put me out?
Mama,
When I chat,
mama, the man say under the star see.
oh, I see.
What you gonna say now? Oh yeah, look so. Now yeah, bro, so mama, me not like him.
Where
Me and the closest in here, but
about
let me
the
tell you,
ear? Can
no.
you go down? You go to night time,
Mama, me get fire.
You get fire?
Yes, me
No,
get
that is
fire.
gonna work.
No, how do they get big?
You're lucky. Me don't argue with no one in the yard.
So, mama,
No what?
me and a friend. Tell her, beat it her.
Beat oh.
I hold me.
Me will hold you up. Me will surely hold you up. Me will hold you, girl. Me will hold you up.
Hold me.
Let go of me, yeah,
Mr. Hold me,
Let
girl.
go of me. Me and no friend.
You just make a fool of yourself.
My holy fool
Why you
there.
make a fool of yourself?
The holy fool there.
Now watch the dinner wash.
No, me did not wash. Me can't brush
Watch this,
specifically
watch
for you.
this. You say I go kiss me, baby, now you know me eat her. Look on my foot. What up on my foot, girl? What up on my foot?
The
I don't
landlord
give a
keep
damn
her.
what they
Good.
buy your food. Cause
And
I
me
don't
I
want the
take the
landlord.
landlord, you can't do nothing about it.
Girl, me
You
have other
have
man
to
to
come
catch
out.
out the road.
Good, me go and tell him to have other man out the road.
Why?
You
So
have
when
to
can
come
do me?
here.
When can do
Mama.
me? What the landlord can do me?
Mama!
Me nah go top take them.
Mama!
What?
I go tell.
I
Me
don't
a chat.
business.
Oh.
Come here about
Because
you.
first of all, the landlord can't do me nothing.
What's your?
Second of all, he can't put me out.
Mama, I can't put
Third
you
of
out.
all,
When you have under the sun, in a put nail
What's
black, nail black.
let me tell
What's
you this.
What's your?
I mean run this.
You ever go this
I
to go tell
never
them like you
find
want
out
taller
this.
than me?
Because me in the bag of lecturing. That me I try to tell you.
She did them now.
You're not taller than me now.
Mama, come and tell me something
Paco.
about her. Make she tan.
Me have time for you.
Me has to tell about that
You
bitch
could
there.
have jump out that chair.
If you never drop
Can't
out of
argue. You can't argue the low class girl. Me tell you to say that
Where
high
you
class
say no,
girl.
me baby?
to
Where
me.
you say no?
That little stinking pussy girl in the sun. When I talk work her underneath our night and day. Have 5 man for 5 man down the road. I say 5 man I have. Now give him nothing.
No, I can't tell.
Mama, where you get? No,
I can't tell.
we are not, let me
Guys,
explain.
you're told him.
We are not, Mama.
I don't know if I need that.
Mama, me say shut up.
Go shut me up.
You see, let me tell you. One of them are the tattoo man. One of them are the piercing man. One of them are carnival man. One of them are the scooter man. And the other one, I'm not going to talk that one day, but look,
I land
she get tattoo for free. Or she get ring for free.
I'm gonna get hairstyle.
But mama, the ring going in your mouth, you never go by your finger.
Shut up.
And the other one going in your ears, you never go on the finger. See
It's
you
only
here.
just one
I
and
wanna
9
ring
in the
up on my
yard. It's only
finger.
stuff. Can you
The landlord now come.
Hey, man, come on, me the way panning us up. I'm gonna tell you this. Miss Ocean. And me run the landlord girl in there. So take your time and come and say, can you ever let go me so like say, you feel like it's a she this? They will take you down. I will take you down. I'm not afraid of a girl. I pay me man yard this. So me tell you that. Oh, it is yeah. Mama, you know say what today happen me see today still not see. That
Mama, you there so argue.
Me talk course. I landlord me a wait for me.
Me not think me a bench and batty.
Me a bench somebody but not with me chair.
Why? You change like how man that change man.
Man, that look at orange girl, but I will talk about if you talk about kiss me baby too bad. We need to get bad, we need to get rid of her.
Right now, mama, kiss me baby now bother me. You should have bother. You know why? Say you want the land. You want the land.
No! Finish it, man!
She want the land.
Finish it!
She want the land.
She want the landlord.
No, nobody know why. You don't see no lookable.
I want to that little papa.
Let me tell you this. I buy one new washing brush and they come out of the rent money. You know why? Cause they say we are get furniture house that require equipment to wash. I mean,
No,
me not
me
see
know.
no tissue in the bathroom 4 weeks
Let me
now.
ask them, can I ask you a question? You ever go to a store in a furniture shop, right?
You know me use the washing
Ah,
brush
the washing
and like
brush.
sense in your head.
You
Me
have to
tell
wash-
you say equipment also. No, I'll give you the phone. Anyways, me gone in cause me get fired from over the bridge. So I'm never gonna go under the bridge now. So I'm gonna get to service me.
Let me ask you a question. You no plan to pay me?
Me been paying you long time and you don't want payment. You ready for payment?
Me want cash. Raw cash.
Well, me on a raw
I
cash
have my
now.
baby over here.
Me have raw,
Give
me
money.
have raw, yasso. Me on a raw cash.
That's how you see it. That's how you see it.
Yes.
That's how you see it.
But me not the money. What you want to do? Me don't got no money.
Go and get a work. The time when I look man and get a work.
Me don't need a work. All me need is just a long john. And money come after.
One year long, John.
Don't necessarily what for you no long, for your short.
Okay. So, one night I want me hear Mass Joe I say his son with one hand over there. With his son have a long piece of donkey who don't have
Yes.
I did the one hand.
And me. It was me.
That's-
And what?
Me did figure out, you know.
Why you did figure it out?
Last night when they said so. And when me asked her what day, when you tell me, say, oh, a period that come, a belly ache. Belly ache.
Because it's not your business, that's not your business. The love in our people business. Sometimes one if you're a man or you're a woman. Because you cuss like say you already draws in here and we are wear panty, you are wear it. Can you go on the most way like say you're a man, you're a woman then?
So me ask her a question. Me see the man that him, you know, today, you know. And I tell her the truth. I tell her, I say, oh no, say, she a man. And he must spend the money for the man.
Well, that bitch come over here, they come shoot her family, they call me girl and they go on the most. She lucky say never chop on her throat. She lucky say never pick down her throat and show her girl.
Listen, I don't need to stop people because me have my woman.
Me sorry,
you don't
me
make
have
me
money.
woman fed up.
Make she
Listen.
fed up. I don't got no money, so I can't do nothing about it. Me sorry. You don't have to run with the man them. I look at tall dark chocolate man I did have the time they when they know. You making gun. You making gun can they run in front of ya.
Kiss me there, they put on the bucket. Oh, see there, fast do it.
Okay. So I saw it one audience and discuss me.
Hey,
See it there?
she did there. Tell her girl let's see me
You
running
there,
and
chat
she
you.
running and say no.
Mama, I never chat you. I never mention your name out of my mouth.
Watch her.
No.
And
come
she tell me
Me
about
deaf,
her friend.
Mr. Landlord, sir. I am deaf.
You know, tell me say she just
Me
come here.
deaf.
You just come here at 5 man. What you gonna do about it? Tell me what you gonna do about
Mr.
it.
Long stick, when I talk to you, you know.
Shut up. What you gonna do about it?
Oh, yeah,
No, come here with that, you know.
What you gonna do about
Yes,
it?
would big and nasty.
Cause all you do at this time is just cuss.
remember that if you
Cuss,
take
cuss,
water out
cuss.
the last time and drink out there, you know.
Hey, no, you not
Okay.
no specimen.
Ah, she get somebody every day now cuss. They get like a sick stomach. They get
I
like a
never
grave
paralyzed
spirit.
sticky coming not going
She what?
anywhere.
She have sick my stomach and she have grave my
Drink
spirit.
a Andrews.
Right.
Drink a
Drink
Andrews.
a and
You know say you are want Andrew yourself.
Oh,
You.
what me there?
you can never believe
Let me
it.
tell you what you want to disrespect me.
Turkey nose, what me there?
Turtleneck. What me do you? Eh? Come on my body, come on my body.
Oh, move. Me go catch a man. No, alright.
That little stinking. And
Hey.
that woman I know.
No pay no mind, cause any man when I go catch a must fish them out of sea and it won't take long to catch them. Not even fish that go on
Come
more
up
time
my
for the
foot
night.
them. My foot them at hurt me.
Huh?
Rub it toward it.
Rub it to them. Rub them. No problem.
What wrong with you?
You can rub them.
With your hand.
Your favor me back foot. Your bright. Your favor destiny.
Hello. You you say that?
Hee haw. Yes.
Boy! Look about here! And you move me the donkey! You're bright! And out of order. You just think.
Hee haw. Hee haw. Yeah, man. Hee haw.
Weird. Okay. Ready?
Hee haw.
Ha!
Yeah, man. Put your head like. Come on.
No, I'm just saying kind of. Every day you sit down and test stuff. I don't like you sit down on a block. What do you?
I'm kind of stressed, man.
Oh, so you still can't get the landlord?
No, my problem. I don't want to see my game. I think more life. We want this every day, man. I pick up all link.
Oh, you want to go build a house?
Yes, say that line.
I want to tell you something.
Yes.
You know, so the one man that she.
How does she know?
Mama shit in the bucket. You know what Mama do?
What?
Put it under the bed.
Who for bed?
Under the line. On the back.
That has nothing to do with me.
No, but look at now.
That has nothing to do with me.
You see the pot, them where they eat out of. I feel shit there on them too.
Who tell her that?
Me see her with me, yeah, you.
You're a liar. You a liar.
Mama, me see her with me, yeah, you.
Man that could never so bright.
Me see her with me, yeah, them, me there.
I don't know you can tell me.
I just heard you, me see. You know me the day at night time, so I have to tell you no, not the day.
Remember say get fired.
Mama, one door closed, many more open and window did me jump through.
Wait till man that come in here.
I'm telling you, this is Manda. Manda now. You know, that's a little spot in your over. So she not have shifting of the utensils.
Dirty girl, come here. Come here, say yeah, there's something I don't like.
I'm here to
Me here say, yeah, do what you're not supposed to do in a what me I use. What that for? You know say me no ramp, but me tell you say me come from Jamaica, me a mad girl, you know. You see me they say me Guyanese gone.
Hello, where you talking about?
Me here say yeah, use the things them. What you supposed to do with me things them? That me here.
That still don't make no sense where you see me.
Hey!
The head girl, the head just the tender. Move. Stop sitting on the bucket, stop sitting on the...
Hey, girl! Mama, voila, Mita!
Stop sitting on the bucket then. Stop sitting on it. Stop sitting on the bucket then. Stop sitting on him.
Stop sitting on the bucket.
Evelyn. Babe.
Well, go on. Move for, come that way. Move for that something there. Come for that something there. Come away, yeah. Come too close to me, man. You know, you don't have the landlord already. Stick with the landlord. No, come too close to me, man. How you come for that time? Say, come up here.
I tell you, I'm yard, but then mind just a run by your son.
Oh, me there.
Good?
Yes. See, alright?
Of course, I'm good. I see you now, you make me great.
So
So, I'm there, yard, and show me you're not there with me, I just feel uncomfortable.
Me tell say me soon come live with you. Me just have to go and make some money first or something.
Make money.
Yeah.
Sorry.
How about this?
Come out of my yard. How are you?
Where you going to farm? A woman, I can't check in.
Which woman?
You
Which
want
woman?
it?
Yes, and a man not supposed to come in my yard unless they say something to me
so?
and tell me,
Babe,
oh, then
make
come
sure you
to.
know about me, you know.
No, the tenant them
You know
yaso.
how this?
And my man run yaso. And me, I'm
nobody
a
no
man
run
manager.
my man.
Hello.
Don't ramp with me, yeah?
Hello, you can't.
Don't beat her, don't beat her. You're bright. You know who my man be. You know who my man be.
Hey.
You think that your man we can beat up?
Babe, listen to me, I tell you. If when me come over here next time, you make them know who me be. Because I don't want to slam me in her face.
I shake me with the gun the most sweet to our man of the landlord.
Yo, hear me I say, man. Just call me here.
Yeah, alright.
Now,
Go on,
they
me so
broke all
calling.
my
Yeah,
mix,
yeah.
you know.
Alright. You know. You see me a jump up a man, you gonna jump up my man. You see me a jump up a man?
Watch me and you. If you think you're bad, care about no more man coming on my man. Yard and not making know say one man they come here or make me aware and know say you go care man come here. You're out of order.
Oh, man, that's
Where you come from?
road as usual.
Nothing now go on. Nothing now go on.
So
Everything
yeah,
good.
we argue with the while ago.
Eh? Argue? Me?
Uh-huh.
Don't, me no know. I must see your neighbor. Me no know where you
Taylor, me come from rent. Rent me come for rent. Chinese, everybody me come for rent when end.
I rent you come for?
Yeah man, rent time.
I rent you come for collect?
Yeah.
Let me tell you this.
Let me tell you what when they go on a little while.
Uh-huh.
You no know say the maga girl we in there so when name Kayla. Care one man come here fi come beat me off and tell her man how she run things just one me and you can't take no more rent from her and make the man come up in my face and choke me.
So yeah, chop me for.
He never chuck you good. You're still standing.
Her man choke me and take up my shit off of me.
You rent just for it.
And she
Me not pay no rent cause my man can't come
she
here.
fight me. She lick me in my back and run going like oh she told me in my back.
And your woman beat me. She look for me can't manage her.
She told me in my
And
back.
you beat the woman for the fight.
You know,
Yes,
say that make sense?
take your rent and give me it.
You know say
Take
that
it.
sense? You see how your woman a beat everybody
I
don't
see me
beat
and
your
you, remember.
woman.
No make no nice. Me and you can discuss that different. Remember say you know
No, but we still want rent too. You have to
yeah,
tell
me know
people
man.
from
Wait,
through.
no, you remember say me not pay no rent.
Me not pay
Happy.
no rent.
Kiss me baby, behave yourself.
Or we will make money if you don't pay even part of it.
Take time no me that a film in your business ask them for your rent.
Come, me
Girl
come
just
collect.
told me in my
Hello.
back and run go in my house.
You see your woman? Your woman just make your rent gone when he attack me man. Where me go get money from?
Girl, man.
Where me go get money from? Push
no
on me
believe
man.
that. First of all, the man
Where get money
come
from?
and come up in my face and say she say me there.
No.
They fight her every time. So the man come to war me with machete. Me have to run for your machete where you left over here yesterday.
We come to collect rent.
The man run out of the yard because me dash piece for
see
him.
you?
Yes.
You see you?
We come to collect rent.
You see you?
Come to collect rent.
Hey.
Rent time now.
You better sleep.
At night me work, me sleep a day.
You know me
And
I call
every day, something new happening in this yard.
you. Girl, me I sleep off the doorway nice and clean. Me look at me
Ask
man
them for
that
your
pop
money.
up.
Ask them for your money.
When me man pop up, she run me man.
So broom at the
Come,
I
come,
broke
come,
here
come.
so.
I fear them done back
You know
below.
what?
No, when we take the rent to raise a 40 grand you have to pay now. She have
Me
to
not no
pay
money
50.
now.
How
Sorry.
much she pay?
And her she use her parent. She not no money.
Let me tell you this. Me don't have no money because I can't get to
Me-
go work at
me
that
work like a
time.
dog.
Because by the time if you come here and sleep, me sleep right through till the other day. And then right through, so me don't get to go work, my boy.
So what I know? Now no money.
No money at
no
all.
Where
money
man
at
that
all.
See man they come from road.
Come.
Me not no money.
What? As become so our.
You know it says it's red due now. Red due? We come to collect. We're not going to do with it. Come.
I like. What do you know?
Beat me this morning.
So, after you care, oh man, come in here
It's out
so,
here.
you come beat off the all we in here so. You come collect rent,
Hold on there.
but all you not easy.
Hold on
Then-
there.
I went since I start collect rent first.
Ask him again for me.
And that son I work again for
You
you.
look so.
No.
Wow.
Titanic, these things are done.
Oh.
So
Your
come.
woman Titanic so sink. I'm going to make me man sink off in head. Make sure turn up there.
You know, so
And
no
people
good
man
enough.
they take.
No, the
But
one
I'm
you
not
my
gonna
man,
go
my
to
personal man, bad man
If I
dad.
talk-
Come here for.
We need rent, we need
We
money.
can't even come out
You
for
know,
everyone in peace. I don't know
What's the
attack
money
me. I
for?
want.
We don't have no money.
Which money?
Yes, you see your woman I run out the
We
money
not
front of
money.
the yard. How you get money? We are work?
Me tell you, say no man, if you come here.
No rent no there. No rent no there then.
Every
No lucky
whisperer is a liar. Hey, control a little.
Yeah,
What
hold
to
it.
say?
Alright.
You ain't it.
Me a call me money and this today.
You breathe me now. Breathe me. I'm not gonna. You're gonna kill the girl, baby.
Call police. Alright.
Make them come out there, please.
So when I me, I never know someone that breathe. You go to station.
Watch out. Me say,
Move.
I go call me man. I go call me man. Watch. Me a call me man.
You know, if you run, are you? Are you? Wait till me catch you.
No way.
Oh,
No.
hey.
Eh?
Listen. Collect every money from them. You hear what me say?
Me I don't collect every money, but it go a bank.
Kiss me, baby. Listen what me say.
It go a bank.
You know why you're nothing about no bank right now? Because you owe me.
How me owe you?
You owe me.
Yeah.
A 3 times we do it and you did to pay me. And you not pay me all that money. Me want you.
Remember
Send
saying,
it to me account.
remember saying this front room is the most expensive room, you know.
Me don't care. You need to pay me money where you owe me. So you see, when time you collect the money from them, make sure you see you send me money straight to my account. Final deal. Else, remember saying you love ball for my front, you know. So you see next time when you come back, you could have ball one jump and full of your water me now give you. Clear your bill.
Alright, me work for it. Me on the pan
I
them.
notice when time you see them, when you contract about me for give you money too.
No, because I want them pay me.
Oh.
So we have to pretend like you pay me.
Okay.
I style it, you know what I
No,
style
but
it.
you may have to do that because they know say me and they already. Anyway, like what you say, you go send the money to my account. Me can do it again when you pay. So
Why not now?
no, I make you want to do it now. You not pay yet.
No, come on, it boosts me if you beat them out of shit so they
No,
can
man,
pay.
just kiss my baby right there. So.
Oh God, that's not me.
No, say
I mean.
$50,000 that day.
Sure! One kiss! No. Later. Later I'm going to check you. Later I'm...
That's $50,000. So that
No bother with that. No bother with that. That come like a half of my rent when I collect your sack way. No bother with that.
Later, you know.
That like me go start rent house to everybody that woman alone.
What? Stop chat foolishness before me left you now ramp with me. And me can man come right in here, yeah. Oh.
In our house. In this. Me will make back up boom and boom down this. Me will move it down to the ground.
You don't love me again?
Me love you, but if you carry money in them, you'll back up boom me. Enough money make it.
But if you love me, you would not tell me them there's something.
But you have to just relax, man. And every time you have money, if you want money, sometimes you bypass it, shut your eye pass it.
But every time I go in a supermarket, I see things where it cost money, so I go always have to have money.
Shut your eye so when you go in a supermarket and ask them for what you want. No look. If you go in, if you buy 2 pounds of flour, you shut your eye, you ask to the flour and then put it in your hand. I think like that.
You see you? Me nah make you kiss me again. You see you? Watch.
Come up with your $100, don't worry about it.
What kind of $100?
No,
Oh.
so, we can't have money, you know. Relax, I can't go get something big money, no worry.
Hello.
What going on, son?
You know, say that nice and thing. You can't count up money though.
Yeah, man, I know say hard work this door, you know.
Can't give me some more money.
And what I can do for you?
Anything.
Money no come, so, you know.
But no. When I chest them just stiff so. Jesus.
You're not chest stiff, you know.
So I don't just so stiff too.
Oh, God.
Oh, Jesus. No, I'm not going to the bush.
I'm not going to the bush.
I'm not going to the bush. I'm a hot girl. I want guest house.
You'll cock up anywhere, you know.
No, sir. None of them sent me.
You'll cock up anywhere, man.
You say I give me some more money.
Yeah, but you have to work for it. I'm to this,
Me know say never change your prostitute life. Me know say never change your whore in life. You're still a whore. I mean, now stop saying.
Yo, I want to
Oh, that me say I want to him.
I'm a baby mother, you know. I'm a baby mother. A 2.5 pitney give me.
No.
A 2.5 pitney give me. One of them a fully jacket. Me not do DNA for the other two, you know.
jackets. Don't do that.
Shut your mouth.
Don't do that.
Shut your mouth. And what they do? Rub the man because you see man with money.
Where you say a while ago?
Yes, I'm for shut my mouth, so I'm not
Where you say
answering
a
you.
while ago?
Me say, I'm a baby mother this. A 2.5 pitney me
I
get.
know my baby father.
Where
Two.
you put them there?
I'm not picking for me. I say I'm picking my jackets.
Mama,
You pick them a jacket. Don't touch the man. Come look, yo.
and that's it they do.
How are you going cutlass?
And that's it they do. And then you tell me say you're picking one food. And you there rub down man with Kyle. Eh? Yeah, rub down.
Money, though.
And you too. No man that you're there with.
Calm down, man. Money, yo, I'm going to roll now.
Oh yeah, come here. Come back here, sir. Stand up here, sir. Finish what you did do a while ago. Stand up there and finish what you did do.
Oh, I'm going to finish when I do.
Rub him down and get half fight of money, man. Go on. Go back there.
They might be a man that be for a jam, man.
Come here.
Really, I go.
Girl, if you ever move, you pitney suffer. If you ever move, you don't get no more money. Go back there, sir.
So, you know what for the pitney? You say pitney a jacket. So, how me going to get money to feed the pitney them?
Go on there, so I see you get money. Go on back there.
Me not go back there, no, come on, just no cutlass there.
And put it down.
Fling you way over bush.
Cause
Way
it's
over
like-
bush if you fling you.
Go on there. Go on there. You have to get back. Finish the job. PR.
Come and say, you know.
You might know what me back there, so say
Me
can
say
you.
go back there, go
You
finish
just
the job.
can't stop my process, so. You just,
Come here.
what?
Rub him down. Rub
Right,
him
see
down.
me rub him there.
Don't touch.
Rub
See
him
me rub
down.
him there.
Yo,
See me,
yo,
like I
yo.
from me here, you know.
Yo.
Come. Come, Toti.
Oh,
Rub him down.
yeah, man.
Girl. Rub him down and collect the
Me
money.
nah rub him down, can you stop my
Go on,
process.
but yo, take your one and go on, son. Yo, take your one and go on, no,
If
man.
you don't want
You
to
just not no sense.
Chat, sir.
Chat say what am I talk about?
I'm going to tell you what I know.
Evidence. Evidence.
Why? Stone come to bump. Hey?
Time when you have a phone.
Forward.
No.
Come step it down, though. No touch.
Yeah.
But see your
Me
man,
not
yeah.
him, and I'm a man.
Yo, see your man, yeah.
Hello.
Babes, and I'm a man.
Even,
Go on.
yeah.
Go on. That no value again. Go on. Kind
No
of
go on, you
value
just
again
come
for
stop
money.
my
Go on, where you
process. And if you go on where you go, you're out and bright. You're disgrace too.
You better go on with that man, man. I want you to go on.
Follow
with
back
that
how?
man. No, you go on, no, man.
Listen to me, that's a cross, is it, yeah? I follow back a sugar, I am a bees. I follow back a sugar and sweetness. I don't follow back a that a lime. You see? She more if you be your crosses because you there dash money.
No, man. Well,
I ain't not give it. So no
you talk
crosses.
about sugar, sweetness, and lime. How you really try to tell me, sir?
Let me tell you this, big man. Don't go there, say no. Because
What you
what
mean?
you're thinking in your head and I'm mad up in your head because me not freaky right now when they talk about that.
Right.
Don't mention
Right
that.
now, you're the freaking right now. What you try to tell me, Mr. Charge?
You see, Uno long time people.
Oh, no. Right now, I'm for the
Let
laugh.
me mash it. What? You go on. Attack, yeah, attack.
How you doing?
Listen to me. Don't mention that
Yo,
again.
look here. You see this, sir? If you make that touch me, you know, I just this here alone, no, man. Make you whole of this so boom down, you know. Much less all this, you know. So, yeah, what do? Yeah, look, I say money.
I'm calling for you.
No, so I can't cope. I'm going to school. I'm at the back of the class, but money, this is half no boy, you look at money, you know.
Must buck you on me yard again. Must buck you. Yeah?
I'm going to have the money same way. You can give 1, 2, or 3 or time, so you can just like an eye.
I must buck you. Yeah, man. Come
Yeah,
back
man.
over there.
Go on, man.
Too much money in my hand to count one time. Yeah, damn, I'm going with business, man. Some girl can't chat to me. Some girl wish they have them money and all them I do is walk and no money. Alright, no. For my personal money. Lord, man. How are you?
Girl, as much as me and a friend, me say, you remember when you in that night?
Yeah.
Me say, Jesus Christ, the whole of my back at here.
Girl,
Right now, me I worry if me lose that pregnancy, you know.
I think you lose a belly. Every time you left for you say you call police. You never call the police.
Me call the police and the police them not pay me. No mind.
No man. Alright. Alright, mama.
Really, how will you get so much money from?
Girl,
Yeah,
when me tell them say me at work, and a chicken me a jerk, I work, and my body me at work. You don't know where she work the fish. You see how far I come from her? I say I come far from her, so I'm sure say me and her no argument. Yes.
If you know who come here, call me here.
Yes, me know what you mean.
They go light up my back.
Alright. Father God, help me, Lord, help me.
Awa. Eh? Awa. Every minute
Why you father come me for?
Hey, girl, move.
Why?
Move from here, so. You feel say I know bad girl in this. How you feel like? Where you get so
How
much
you
money
my
from?
girl?
Where you get so much money
You think
from?
say you go, hello my love, me go up my body. No for now run on no look of vagina and I need to then get money. See what you say with the landlord, you get money like this, my girl, give me my money. Give me my money. Give me my money. Cause I don't have to mash up here now, you know. You see how far I come from you? You see how far I come from you? Come provoke me. See my sit me. I can't take you. You hear me put in the money up because I'm out as a rent and I pay my rent. That is me I pay my rent. Watch me in this evening, yeah. Me, the girl take my money, can't help me get back money from her, me get thing out
Me
of
go
it.
to hello. Me no thief this. Me no thief this.
And what you do then?
You owe me man money for rent.
Your man nothing get so much money for rent, you know. Body man. I give me my money. The girl kept my money, me want me. You know how hard me work my body last night. You know how hard me I work my body. I can't take my money, girl.
So what on there?
A 50 man that. 50. Not what you know, but 50. My girl, if you want money, go walk out your body and me give my money. What?
Watch ya. Watch me on. 1-1. 1-1.
Boy, you want money, you feel like some money come back. Look out for my friend.
Girl, my friend now back. Help her. Me go ahead. Come in, girl. Come in.
I'm going to take you back from home. Don't worry, nothing. If you don't think for nobody, come back out yourself. Come back out yourself for nothing for nobody. Like when you take out the money.
Where she gone?
All granny up your
Where she gone?
You had up my finger, you know.
Where she gone? Money rest of money from Shanice. Look, I'm not trust Shanice, you know.
Come back out yourself. No, we don't get the money. Come back out here.
Me not time for you.
Yard.
Come back out here.
Me can't tell them I sit here no more.
Come back out
Your man if you get you out of yard.
Fling.
Every day you come in an argument with people.
Fling and come out here so count and up. You know see. All of them go on.
Take him
Yo,
out there.
one you own, you know. As I go on, hey, when I done with her in this, you know. Me gonna make me money and me account to me rent she account, you know.
She make me have a miscarriage.
Watch ya. A 50 man me want take last night, you know. And that not easy now, then they go go with my money.
You could have taken 51, I don't care.
Yo.
I don't care. Yeah, man. Me no business like a flex fight. Yes. Yes! Put him out that door. Put him out that door. Come on, me rent. Come here. Come here. When me rent money. When me rent money.
Chinese have
Pay me. Pay me rent. And then me later. Pay me rent. Give me money.
Chinese have money. Chinese
All
have
right, give me
money.
money. Give me money.
Hello.
Give me money.
And I would like to forget, you know.
Give me money. No business. You never pay me.
Hello, man. Yo, you see that woman there? That woman there tap my money show, you know.
Listen to me. Me only want to know say never pay. I done business with them go and fight in this so.
And
Come.
next time, don't pull me ear. You hear me?
Hello. What you do?
Maybe what me I do, me sick and tired on a bad business and me I pay my money. Me, what again?
Left him, baby. Left him. Left her. She good.
Your
She
woman don't make your tap get money.
She good, baby. No, man. Babes. Babes, come.
How you come to fight?
Come, babes.
Where they run they go?
Come.
I never you.
I never who?
I surrender. I surrender. I surrender.
Kneel down. Kneel down and surrender and tell me say sorry girl if you come out this up and go on like your bad.
Kneel down.
Your favor kneel down.
Alright, get up.
Kneel down.
Your
Kneel
favor
down.
kneel down.
She a tell she if you need to tell me say you can kneel down. Kneel down. Go down.
Kneel down.
Kneel down.
Tell me say you're sorry and you're not.
Tell me say you're sorry and now make she beat me again. Kneel down.
What?
I am.
Go down.
Go and wait.
You're sorry?
Me another just. You see that jackass?
Move.
Me another hold on.
Kneel down. You think nobody can make me kneel down?
Sure.
Kneel down.
Up a girl head, you know.
Kneel down now.
And that. Make him kneel down.
Uh-huh.
Make him kneel down.
Uh-huh.
And that. Make him kneel down, let me see. Me go see if you're eating.
I want to know, woman. You're not tired.
No, kneel down now.
Go read
kneel down.
your Bible.
No, pay them no mind, man. I notice me I can't come give all of them.
You don't have to give me no notice. Me left out of this year.
When?
Me left out of this year. No.
No.
No. Me left out of this. Me can't take no
You
money.
don't know level.
Hurry up.
Watch me. Watch me. Watch me.
She brighty.
Watch me. You see me out of this too. Watch her now.
Hey.
Yo.
You see as of now?
Me tell her this parent shit. I'm going to mark my word now.
Call you.
I'm going to mark my word now. No, you grab me. I'm tell her this. 12 now.
Your friend don't sleep me a while ago. Can't get you back. Come out of me yard. Come out of me yard. Come out of me yard.
You see 12 now? Me want to mark
for
this.
free. Outside.
All me bead you bust off. You bust off all me bead.
Yeah, chat about bus.
I'm a lucky charm.
Big dirty girl tear me.
Don't worry about this shit,
But the
man.
money when they check out of my purse, me get back that long time, so me can buy more than this.
You get it back?
Oh, you mean you take me for?
I'm gonna get no rent, you know.
No, me I go share that for me and you. I feel with money, but me
Half
ready
and
to
half,
get you.
yeah.
Half and half.
I
Then
like
go
that.
outside, I make no girl come tell about kneel down. You know,
Go
right?
in, go work out. I like how you get money, you know.
Work out. You cannot come down with you? You mad?
So what that mean?
Me nah go naked. You have to
I
put
just
on
look how one step and we just put in there and just bubble it in there and then that's it, and just boom, boom, boom.
You know, say that can bring triplet how long you go? No.
I just 3 hours, nothing but a 3 hour.
Yeah, me like it. Furlong, but you have to protect yourself. Me not run no joke with my front.
Oh God, you're going like say me, you're not gonna breathe.
So,
Me know
breed or no breed, me not talk about breed. Me need you to use protection every time you come on my shop door. That me say. And that me mean.
you know what? Lock you up.
Me can't run them risk. Remember, say you have other woman on the road.
Lock
Take
you
no
up.
secret from me, I'm a year, I'm a know.
Lock you up,
So
lock
me
you up.
can't
Later.
come together
I'm
with
not,
you.
I'm gonna get the boots. Don't worry. Go on in, go and cook.
Yeah,
Ah.
I need silver one them.
All right,
Or chocolate.
all right.
Kayla. Kayla.
Hello,
What's going on, mama?
who you? Who you to Kayla?
You know, say I'm here, Kayla like a feeling, you know. I like a feeling me come check that.
You a Kayla man?
Mm.
So you come to Kayla about now?
You mean me come give him a little package, man, for him can restore, you know.
Hello. If I'm me like you, me no girl not even dying. The girl they carry different man come here.
Every day's a different job, man. It's a yard. I want to
No, listen, me go tell you the truth. This a girl here. One night me catch him
Mm-hmm.
2 times. 2 different man buck up. One big fight over here. Look here. You see that scar here? Your heart, you just so. Actually, you can't see it so good because I go to pharmacy go buy cream feet. I part the 2 man them. Because them a fight over Kayla. Kayla fi run go in. So guess what? Don't give her the money. Let me give it to her. If you give it to her, she go vex and say you have some woman or
Say
something.
I hold the money.
No, me will hold it for you. Any man come?
Every time I come and say yada,
No,
me
Kayla,
I
give.
lose too much money. I'm just gonna tap come over here though. What go on now, baby? You me come check in?
Where?
Mm-hmm.
Where's something you bring come to me there?
You must not give up on next time though, cause you know say you don't use the money for another thing though.
Is it money pan what?
For
I mean, if
another
you use the
thing.
money pan.
No, me I work for something man. It's an investment man.
Oh, you invest in that? Me have to invest
No,
in
me
that.
must have a farm. You call them need food. You know, they need feed and hog them and the goat them.
My friend front of the yard, come front of you because sometimes I'm sick and tell you. When you come over for you, no say no money.
I'm here, man.
Remember say I'm money talk, you know, money
I'm here,
talk.
my girl. Much money me give her now, boss?
I said the past to
Much
a new
money me
day
give her
this
yesterday?
I want money, and
Much
money me
money me
want.
give her this morning? Eh? Calm
I
down,
got this,
man.
me not, hello,
Yo.
please, me JP, you know, man. Move in front of me, in front of me, I grab my spirit right
Shut
now.
up. You know, I left out your
More
place.
friends, man.
I left your place.
Come over here now, man, you look
Shut
broke
up,
back
girl.
yourself.
Yo.
I don't know what to from man that, hey. Oh! I see. So it come like say the landlord not enough. So you want something else in you. But no worry yourself, mama. Go and swing your dollars. I go and swing your landlord. Watch me and you can't feel like being in an argument. I go and take. Yeah,
Chat
done.
to me back,
Yeah.
chat to me back.
But not
Chat
chat to
to
you
me back,
Wait
chat
till
to
he
me
come
back.
here. Wait till your man come here.
Me backside, how that? Then so when I see star around you, if you make a wish, I am going to make a wish. But me no want shit here. Anytime no man come here who are figure our money, I wish that I shall receive every money that Kayla supposed to get, and she not get no more money from no more man.
Wish you
Happy
Wish you
birthday
Where wish
to
you?
you. You know, say yesterday your birthday, I name him happy wish you happy birthday. Kiss me,
No,
baby.
no, 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 no. Hold on, hold on, hold on.
Kiss me, baby.
Me need to talk to you.
Huh?
Me need to talk to you.
How about me now?
Is your woman?
Uh-huh.
Controller. My man come here to me, right?
Uh-huh.
And she take all of my money from my man. Me tell me no. You see little maga boy. You know say once I give him 2 sweet talk and touch him. He's in dash off money. So true. Check her.
Take money off of who? The guy where take it from Amanda? And he take off how much? Like a little chunk change?
When me say so, them let them man walk with some change.
Oh.
A rich boy that. I'm want money from her.
That good. You never get nothing.
Come over here, so.
You never get nothing.
Not like her.
Oh, say the night too.
Huh?
Get
Yeah,
nothing
I
like
too.
her.
What's
Get
that?
what?
Yes.
Get what?
He go in there after he take off the money.
I don't believe that. So give me half of the money until you get one kind of money.
I'm gonna pay me 3 months rent. You hear? Yeah, me say I must pay me 3 months rent.
When
You know that.
When you pay me?
When they in for the wire tips, if you don't tell us, me pay you. That pay you there, we make you the money. That day there, you tell us, hey, you don't get the money. Me must me give you the money. And that 3 months rent. So continue lie to her. Me not arguing about no man and no money. I never mind man, so me leave it alone.
Oh, yes. She pay me. She good. The rest ain't not pay me yet. But she pay me 3 months rent. Oh, yes, sir. If you are so serious, baby, if I just call like a Kyle off my man.
Here, yeah.
Yeah, that God. You know, some them job them will start running instead of landlord business. They my job like you pay more. Mm.
You get 3 months rent from her?
Yeah.
Where you do it?
Put in a bank as usual.
Erie Bank. What kind of bank?
Bank. Not Erie. Not the Erie one.
So, in a bank.
In a bank.
Who are you responsible for that the money there?
Me, of course.
You?
Yeah.
Okay. You responsible. You alone are going to get that the money there in a bank.
Yeah, because I must have my name in the account.
Oh. No, bother. Later. Me I go down the road.
So me,
Okay, so you have money issue. So when I share it.
let me ask you a question. Did you see me take out any money? Oh,
Hey,
you
you
look.
man, kick out me pitney, you know, don't load up your mouth for me. Come, pay me.
You look at the pitney kick out. You should have kick out more than the pitney.
Come here.
No.
Come here.
We're done with them, let's say right now. You go on. We're done
Hey!
with it. Go on in.
God forbid.
No.
Look here.
Don't call God in that.
Look.
Yeah. And God that teach you, say.
Look.
Go on learn to cook. And that's why you put them on, you know, and cook. Go on in.
If I miss it, cook, no, that obey you. Not even obey you, but that hides you.
Try make sure
You
you
cannot
can
have
pay me.
shit.
Try
There's a
make
walk
sure
and
you
a
can
bar.
pay me. Yeah?
Oh, hey.
Oh.
What's Chinese there? Chinese there? Chinese!
Murder! What you doing here? Murder! About murder!
We are hello, so far. Me think your dad die.
Think who they die?
You can you hello out.
I need to come check you.
Wait. And the next thing, what you are doing? What you want me man doing here? Kiss me baby, no enough here. What your man doing here? What you are doing here?
You come check. Me think I get a room here, you know.
I think I'll check me run a back here normally come. How you reach a front room?
Me think I say, me come check here last time.
Me tell us how we have borrowed the big bed. Because the bed everyone is so small. We have borrowed the big bed. And you still
Hey, take time in my place. Over here, son of you, you know. You see that phone now when me take from you? Remember, say you now get it back. And you see your next little dirty foot friend around there, so I come take a kiss me baby money when me not there. And you tell me you want kiss me baby by this game, you now get it back. You see, this all the next little junker will live around, I made a room around there, so when I pay me man no rent. Me I go with the whole of them and now get them back. A matter of fact, me tell that one, I set up a man to come in and so come do it with me. And if you analyze me.
Me if you set up man.
Why you just take a push down in the inside there so?
Oh, before you take a push down in the
call
inside.
police for him because me see you so little while.
No.
Hey.
And you before
Me
call
just
police
think
man.
so, but me not.
Because
you know
you say you know all you want to do. You take people for it, you want to take me man. And you not take me man. And that me I tell you.
Wow.
Kiss me baby, there enough for you.
Me know why you man. Who know why my man? That's let me tell you something. If you never hello sir, is your girlfriend this?
I'm a lady, man.
If you never know, she love people man and catch him the other day with
Hello.
my man
Alright.
because she don't want pay her rent. She one of the 10 of them.
What's your
Listen.
now? News flash. A people man this for me take.
You see?
Bright.
She love people man. That's
I
why
can
me
take
and
people,
them
man.
can't agree. Yeah.
Yeah,
And you
okay,
know, like
agree.
when me the here, so you know what me do? Cause you look like
Come
I
on,
say
left.
set up your
Come
man
on,
to come in
yeah,
your
yeah.
Come
party.
on left then. I might just come on left.
You set up your man to come in your party. Me see.
Come on left man.
That, and he just come push me door so. Me not understand that.
Yeah, man, I
Come on left.
She not live over here, so you know. She not live over here, so me no know
Oh,
your
man,
man
come sometime,
And they
come
come
take
ask you,
banana.
right here, what me I do with your man? And then push me door and come in and not even knock.
But you ball out like say they get something.
Get with something.
Me don't know. And you ball like you take something.
That's
So me I run come look.
Look. I feel man don't have nothing compared to feel man. He don't have nothing when me care man.
What you know about my man? What you know about my man?
Me see
You see doing this
Me
song?
see it. He be the river that they near pass. You idiot.
I see you poor. Still I be the river.
Anybody not can be the
early
river.
morning,
That's only
you know.
that girl you take
Blessing.
up in your life. Anybody can be the river. Me be the river enough time. That
Mama
means so.
phone.
Who?
If you think you pass your son, me no name what me name.
Alright.
Yes! Come me the raffle in this tonight. Come me tired of you.
Remember say me kinda in a pain and me can't do nobody with the war.
No, say I true, she see you make she a go on so. Cause she knows say me and her can't agree. For a long time.
No.
Yeah. Yo, me I go next room I want. No, go kill her for yourself. Me I go next room. Here.
Yes, sister, me I get ready to go war. You want to come out?
No, me a man, me no beat up.
Tanya saw it, two we there in this together be. Cannot be. He can't manage it two we.
When you not shake me.
In a
Cannot be,
pain.
yes to be.
Yeah,
We
man,
two
fi
are
mash
to
shit.
go.
Man, look fi mash shit.
He not the man so fi attack her now cause she not.
When you not shake.
Go on.
Come here, before you go fight her. You go first me. Yeah, the man. Go first. Yeah.
When you not shake.
Oh, you so stupid, man. Move from near me.
I'm going to your room, go lie down. Let's come check me.
No. I'm not going to lie down. Guy, your yard. Kept me one of the fight is a big bull cow, yeah.
Now you
Yes,
have to
get
go
your
on.
yard.
Now you have to check.
Get your yard. Me want my phone, mama.
Come on. Come on.
Why? Why? Baby! Baby! Why? Jesus! Why?
what me I can do? Left from the place there, you hear? Me I give it 1 2 weeks. Because all I don't want to take this idiot. But, hey girl, you don't know me, you know? You know, let me define the machete and say, but you want phone. Want which phone? Contact them, I tell them I'm going to tell them right now, no, bright. Bright. Wait till me see kiss my baby, I'm going to bust up team face too. Oh, father.